You can create custom shortcuts so that your most common Excel processes get reduced to only a few keystrokes.
You can do that by using this option here. If you click this, you can add things such as save, but we already have save. So you might have undo or redo to get you that backwards arrow. Now you can add custom ones by just going to more commands. It's pretty easy. You just use your options here. I like to have borders, for example. Click borders, click add, and okay. So now if I want to add borders to these rows, bam, top border. Now that didn't save us much time compared to just using the normal options. Let's just undo this. But it has given us the new shortcut of pressing Alt and 2. It would have been Alt 1, but we already added that redo one. Let's remove that for now. So now, if I want to add borders to a cell, quickly just press Alt 1, and then I'll be able to choose it. Now, this is slightly different from originally. We would have had to press Alt, H, B, and then select it. But over time, it can save you a lot when you put your most common shortcuts here. Saving a keystroke every few minutes will definitely add up.